I like owning a business with my dad because I know like when I'm older, I'll have something to do instead of going to college and having some complicated stuff. Because this is just easy and I know I've known how to do it since I was like, I don't know how old, like 5. My name's KJ and I'm the co-founder of ABC in Dallas.
Hello, my name is Jeff Hanford. I'm the CEO of ABC. It's important for me to have my son involved in this business. I looked at my market. There's not many people in my area that clean trash cans, and I was like, okay, I can make this work. And my mentality is, okay, they're building and building and building, and that means each house that's getting built is a potential customer. And then one day,
my dad told me to take out the trash and stuff, and I was like, no, I don't want to do that. The trash can smells super bad. And I told him that, and then he was like, what about we start a trash can cleaning company? I think we could do that. That sounds pretty easy and stuff, so that's what we did.
Wow.
Wow.
Fresh. Nice and clean. All right, so when I first started the business, my thought process was to get the best equipment that you can get. The trailer is pre-made by a gentleman out of Michigan, Dan Swede with Trash Men's Cleaners Direct. Great guy, he's got the best equipment in the industry. This Hydrotech skid here is top of the line, American made. 3,500 PSI, 8 gallons a minute, so it's very fast. Most guys are using like 4, which just cuts down the time. I'm in and out very, very fast. Cold and hot water, cooks up to 250 degrees as the heat temp, which kills all bacteria, all germs, and anything that's in there.
What these different buttons are, so this one is to close the thing so it can hold the trash can. This one's to open it. This one's to make sure it goes down after we put it up so it can get sprayed by that thing up there.
What is the first one?
Like
control?
This one's just to make sure there's
bypass.
No pressure.
It's a bypass.
Like a bypass.
Then what's the middle one do?
The middle one's for the gun, so it can spray, because it locks, so it makes sure no water comes through, and then when you open it, it lets some water come through when you press the button so you can spray down the trash can.
Good job. We don't use any chemicals. We just use straight hot water. Anything you got to say, KJ?
When we use that hot water, I think that is like eco-friendly because we're not using that stuff that's just bad for the earth when we dump it out and stuff, so yeah.
A rig like this would cost you about $65,000, $70,000. But it's a moneymaker, dual moneymaker. You can pressure wash and you can clean trash cans. So with the bin cleaning, when I first started, I had my monthly at $16.99, right? After a while, the gas prices had went up, and that was an opportunity for me to send everyone an email, hey, there's gonna be a price increase. So we're here at my monthly account. I do 3 dumpsters on this property, get all the stains and stuff that are all on the ground. I get that up, put some degreaser, and get it clean. Each dumpster I charge $150. If you can land some dumpster pads, in a plaza, if you're doing all of them dumpsters in one day, that could be an easy $1,000 in one day. My business has taken off like crazy since I started. My first year, I did like 200 grand. Second year, 200. Third year, 1.5. I manage my clients by jobber. Everything that I need to manage the company properly is all in one app. I ride with my laptop with me, so when I'm waiting to pick up KJ, I can do everything from here, like send invoices, like you can on your mobile device. I got a new customer today. Well, while I was cleaning dumpsters, I got the request, and now I'm just gonna add her into the system, put her on schedule for Friday, and get her cans cleaned on Friday. Super easy.
So he taught me how to use Jobber once, and I still kind of remember how to do it.
It's pretty simple, and I do let him do it. Sometimes it takes too long, and I'm ready to go. I definitely teach him everything, every aspect. What sets us apart is what is our process once we clean the trash cans? What do we?
So we usually spray the trash can, and we'll bring them back to your garage.
That's our signature. We put some smell good in there. It's the extra step, and it takes time, but we're willing to take the extra step to be successful. Time frame wise, how long does it take?
Maybe if it's not that bad, maybe 3 minutes or something. But if it's pretty bad, then it's probably like 5 minutes, because it might take us a long time to spray it down.
There's maggots in trash cans, which is unique to Texas. For some people, it could gross them out. But what about for you? What do you think?
It's not that bad for me, because like they're super tiny, so you can barely even see them half the time. And we rarely even look inside of the trash cans, so it's not that bad.
What's the grossest bin you've ever cleaned, KJ?
There was like one where we were doing like 5 of them, and then we went through this little back alleyway area. It was nasty. Their trash can was gross. And there was like paint in it, grill stuff in it. It was nasty. I'll just like have to think, like, if I just do this and get it over with for today, then tomorrow I'll know I'll be able to do it.
KJ, you're gonna be able to see this forever, dude. You're gonna be looking back like that was me and my dad. I think that when I first started out, I was spending money on marketing when I wasn't getting any results. And the best results that we did get were from word of mouth, and him and I out there passing out our flyers, door to door, and just being very aggressive.
One time I cleaned Jay Leno's garage for an episode, because he was doing like the first ever electric Camaro, and he was doing burnouts, so we had to do the cleanup after those burnouts, because he didn't want to leave all the stuff there.
We got to meet Jay Leno, took a picture with us in front of my rig, which was in the beginning of our business when we first started, which helped us with marketing, and that was a hell of a booster. Now that we've been in it for 5 years, and I don't really do any marketing. I might do a Facebook boost periodically. Other than that, I'm not doing any marketing. ABC, we're out there now. Got the fresh white Pumas on with the fresh white ABC shirt. What? They love seeing him work. It's dope too. They're like, okay, they liked your little hump. He gets more tips than anything. So the biggest way that we get good business is client relations, keeping a good relationship with our customers, and they take care of us. All right, let's go. Some days he's in the car like, Dad, it's too hot, or it's raining. I'm like, KJ, what do we got to do?
We got to clean trash cans, but the thing is, sometimes like you pick me up after school, and school just tires me out sometimes. So I'm like, I kind of have to take breaks sometimes.
He likes his breaks. He'll take a nap while Dad's working, but it's not a problem. Actually, one day his teacher called me and was like, yeah, KJ was, he was talking about you. He was like, he's your biggest fan. He's like, he's so proud of you, like with all of the work that we do, because he talks about the stuff like the Jay Leno's and the different big projects that we've done. So that means, to me, that means that he's learning, and that he's interested, and and I try to keep him interested, other than him being sleepy when he gets out of school. By the time he's 18, he'll have 15 years experience in pressure washing, trash can cleaning, so he'll be able to take it over and then running his own business that he helped build, and it makes me happy that I know that he's on the right track.